Do you want to learn how to lift weights to lose weight? Do you want to get the most out of body recompositioning? Then I have the answer for you. Hey chicas, I'm Mel, and for the best advice on female fat loss, muscle sculpting, and strategies to help overcome self-sabotage and stress that are stealing your health and joy, subscribe. I have new videos out every single Wednesday. And hit the notification bell. Are you looking to lose weight by focusing on weightlifting or body recomposition? This is also known as losing fat and gaining muscle at the same time. Well, stay tuned because I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it, if it's the best approach for you. And honestly, I started doing it a couple years ago and I have not been more lean and been stronger. So stay tuned. So the best 5 candidates for this approach, which is basically focusing more on weightlifting to build muscle and lose fat. The first best candidate is obviously going to be a beginner, because beginners are going to be more primed to have muscle synthesis because they're going from doing nothing to something. So they're going to be able to get strength gains pretty darn quickly because they haven't done it before. Number 2, one of the better candidates for losing weight and putting on muscle via focusing on weight training or body composition is the detrained athlete. Basically, this is just someone who has prior experience in lifting weights but has taken an extended break. So it could be there a couple weeks, it could be a couple months, even a couple years. Their bodies are going to have what's called muscle memory, and this is really going to prime them for muscle synthesis when they begin to lift weights. Overweight individuals are actually really great for body recomposition because they have more fat to fuel the resistance training. So compared to their male counterparts, elite female athletes actually do pretty well because, again, they have more fat reserve. So females in general are going to do better at body recomposition than their male counterparts. And number 5 is going to be anyone on steroids, but I am not going to touch that subject. So from the candidates that I described, would you consider yourself a good candidate for body recomposition? Let me know in the comments below. How do you go about body recomposition? What are the key points? I'm going to share those 4 key points with you right now. So number 1, you do want to have a small calorie deficit. And I say small because you want to have enough calorie deficit that you are losing fat, but not so big that you are going to be hindering muscle growth. So I would recommend anywhere between 300 and 400 calories in deficit per day. So you want to be on a high protein diet. The reason is that you want to make sure that you have enough protein to repair and rebuild the muscles. And if you don't have enough protein, your body is actually going to use your muscle as fuel, which is really going to hinder your progress. What I would recommend is 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per body weight while you're in this recomposition phase. When you're trying to do a body recomposition through weight training, it is super important that you are very consistent with your weight training, like every single week, and you also want to make sure that you are getting stronger. So you need to be lifting more every single week. This is not the time to go lighter, because if you're going lighter, you are not signaling to your body to produce muscle synthesis. So you don't want to be going lighter. You want to make sure that you're signaling to the body that it is very important that you need this muscle and you need to build muscle. Number 4, cardio is not necessary for weight loss. It's not necessary for weight loss. Now, with that being said, obviously it can be helpful, but I really want to get the point across that your calorie deficit should really come from your diet, and signaling muscle synthesis should come from lifting heavy. And I know I've said this before, but honestly, you want to be doing as little cardio as possible to elicit results for 2 reasons. 1, when you do cardio, you are more likely to burn muscle. And number 2, when you use cardio to elicit weight loss, you're going to have to continually increase it because your body is going to get used to it. And we don't really want to, again, use cardio as our main way of losing weight. That should always come from the diet first. So have you ever tried body recomposition via weight training? Let me know below. one thing is you have to be really patient with this. The results are slower, but the cool thing is that it is more sustainable in long term and you keep your metabolism going. Where if you're focusing mostly on weight loss, you are going to burn through some muscle, and if you are focusing solely on gaining muscle, a lot of times you'll put on fat. So here you're kind of going right in between. Neither of the results are going to be super fast, but like I said, it is going to be more sustainable, which is a great benefit. So now you know how to lose weight via lifting weights and recompositioning your body. So you really want to focus on intensity, progressive overload, doing less cardio, eating more protein, and having a slight calorie deficit. But you need more specifics to really put this into a plan. So I created the How to Lose Weight, Get Sculpted, and Keep It Off guide to help you figure out what you should be eating and how you should work out as a female to lose weight and tone sexy curves, and more importantly, how to transition into a maintenance lifestyle and actually keep it off. You can download the How to Lose Weight, Get Sculpted, and Keep It Off guide for free by clicking the link below. So tell me, which do you prefer, cardio or weight training to lose weight? If you found this video helpful, comment helpful down below so that I know to make more videos like this. And if you did like it, and share. If you want to see the behind the scenes, follow me on Instagram, the link is below, and I also upload daily helpful tips and tricks. And if you want to join me on Facebook, I have a secret society, the Ultimate Female Weight Loss and Lifestyle Formula VIP. You can also find the link below to ask to join. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Bye.